Hi my dolls, welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right into the tutorial. Today we're going to be making a dress for the baby, mini Zuru baby, whatever, with this ruffle trim, and I got some ribbon from Hobby Lobby to match the ribbon on the ruffle trim. And we're going to use that ribbon to make some straps. So we're going to measure around our baby like so. And you can sew this all the way up or glue it all the way up if you want, but make sure the baby can go in and out of it. Mine will be open, so I'm going to sew the edges with hot glue by pressing it in between the parchment paper, and this method can be hot, so watch out. So here's how it looks, and I just add my snaps, and be careful because you don't want to be sewing through glue, so yeah. Next, you're going to want to add the straps, so just have that skirt inside out, and then I glue my straps in place first. You don't have to sew, but I wanted to sew so it stays forever. And here is how that comes out. It is so adorable, and there's no measurements because you're using the baby as a measuring. So now mommy needs an ensemble, and so we're gonna do her top in the same way, but you can also add some variation depending on how much of the trim that you have. But yeah, we're gonna start with the skirt, and we're gonna add another tier to the skirt to make it longer because she ain't a hoochie mama. Again, I made that skirt much in the same way that I made the baby's dress overall. And then I'm gonna flip it inside out and sew along there. You can glue again, and then I'm going to cut off the excess. I mean the excess with an E. So I have a top and a skirt, and I use hot glue to position those straps, and then I secured them with needle and thread. So here is that finished result. It looks so cute in my opinion. I'm sure there's different trims and things you can get from thrift or the craft store, so just have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye!